Hello everyone, and today's topic is going to be a little bit philosophical, but at the same time realistic. Let's name the topic, or let's uh, call the topic the pursuit of happiness. It, the title of this topic is same as the movie named, and but okay, we are gonna talk about this topic, the pursuit of happiness, and the current situation that constitute happiness. So first of all, I would like to ask a question to you, that what uh, what do you consider, what is there which you consider that would give you happiness? According to me, I most often think that I'll be at a position sooner, some 4 or 5 years later. I'll be at the position on I'll be a great administrator. I'll be having the power. I will be having the power and money, of course, and I'll be providing my family a best, or I mean, above upper middle class life, where there would not be any kind of uh, complain about financial aspect. Hmm? So, and of course, I want my family to live a decent standard of life, and I'll be making it sure that I'll be giving them that life, or I'll be giving them the resources, money, power, influence, with those things, with those things, with that power, they'll be leading a great life, and at that position, at that moment, I would be proud of myself. I would be feeling good. I would be feeling happy. Most of the time, I think these kind of aspect that would constitute my happiness. But then I focus on one thing: am I not making my happiness moment very, very tiny or very small? What after that moment? Okay, I would make sure that my family would lead a good, decent life, decent standard of life. My wife, my children, my father, my mother, my brothers, they all would be leading a great life because of me, or because of that supreme soul. But what after that? Will that smell? Will that solely give me happiness? I'll be having the money to buy anything, to travel my family anywhere in the world, to provide a better standard, a kind of decent standard. Would that be my destiny? I say no. That would be the moment. Okay. But life will be continue. Life will be going on that particular moment also. Then what after that? Suppose I have completed, I have achieved my dream. Suppose the after we have come to the future, and today I have the money. Okay, I have the position. I'm at the powerful position. I have the power. My a single sign of mine can influence, can change most people's life. I have that much power. I have bungalows, cars, uh, contacts, powerful contacts. I have good friendship with powerful people. I too am powerful. My family has. I have booked a 5 star, 7 star hotel in USA. My family has gone to visit USA. My wife has gone to Switzerland with my daughter, with my 2 year, 3 year daughter, and I am here in the office and I am happy. Okay, I am happy. But life is still there. This is not the destiny. I have achieved what I have decided. But this is not something which is the ultimate truth. I mean, at one moment in the past, I was thinking about this moment and now I have achieved it. But it doesn't mean that I have done everything in my life. I'm still breathing. I'm I have the potential to learn. I have the potential to grow more. I have the potential to focus on more meaningful aspect, to serve people more, make myself more powerful, make myself more influential. But at the same time, I have to be satisfied, because at this moment, because life exists in this particular moment and never beyond this. I cannot compromise with this moment. I have only I just have this moment to live in the way that I want to. I don't have future, I don't have past. I have achieved what I have thought, but okay, I'm happy. It's a feeling. When I was thinking about that, at that moment also I was happy. But I now have more responsibility to choose a more meaningful goal to achieve, because life is that. Okay, so let's come to the present. So we have just we have just gone to the future, and we have noticed that, okay, what the goals, materialistic goal, emotional goals that we have decided, we will have achieved it. Okay, and now we are still uh, finding, searching for a meaningful goal to achieve, because life is a journey. Destiny is this particular moment where we are living. This is destiny. Your today, your this moment is the destiny. There is no destiny in the future. This is the destiny. And this journey is the destiny. Life is a journey. Your heart, your mind, your breathing, your lungs are working constantly, and they would continue working till the death, the ultimate truth. Don't kind of uh, don't fool yourself. Don't try to foolish yourself that at a particular moment you will be feeling happy and there would be no wish that would be remaining. No, that's the biggest lie. You run after the goals until you achieve them. Once you achieve them, you have achieved them. Now you must want, you must have something to run after, to achieve. Why? Because life is a journey. Life is a journey. What is success? Success is the combination. Success is um the balancing between the journey, or the understanding between the journey and the destiny. There is no destiny, but there are achievements. Level 1. You have achieved level 1, there is level 2. You have achieved level 2, there is level 3. If once you have achieved, once you achieve level 1, you would definitely go towards level 2, because that is life. You would not be thinking, or you should not think that level 2 would be the source of your happiness. No, the journey which you are going through, the journey that would lead to level 2 is the main source of happiness. Live this journey. This is happiness. This moment is full of happiness. This moment is full of positivity. Understand it. Do not run after happiness, because there is no happiness in the future. Happiness is a kind of, it's a feeling. You can cultivate it at any moment. You just make yourself fool, or you just put yourself in illusion that in the future you would be finding happiness, and of course you find it at some moment. Suppose you have decided that you would complete your kind of assignment, and once you complete it, you feel happiness because you had perceived that after completing the happiness, after completing the assignment, I would be happy. Okay, it's happy, but how long you remain happy? You need something to move after, to move on, right? That is what I want to say. Life, happiness is what you perceive. Happiness exists in what you think that it is exist in. Happiness is your cultivation. It is not related to any uh, kind of result or anything. It's a journey. Feel it. This is happiness. Once you perceive that yes, I am living a happy life, yes, you are living a happy life. If you would continue finding happiness, you would end up getting nothing, because happiness is not in the future, it's not in the achievement, but in the perceiveness. You should perceive that you are happy, that you, and there are a lot of reasons to be happy. You have two hands, you have a healthy body, you have eyes, you are privileged, you have food to eat, you have parents, you have the sources through which you can grow yourself, through which you can make yourself a better version. You can increase or improve your life. You can influence other people's life positive way, in a positive way. There are a lot of reason to be happy, and there is a list, endless, everlasting list till death. There is a list that does not, that do not, that does not end. If you would be reading it till your death, even till your death. you would be finished, you would be end up, but the list of wishes is long. So happiness, understand it. When you understand that only happiness exists only in this current moment and nowhere else. Every moment is suitable to be happy. There's no happiness in the future, no happiness in the past. You just feel and you feel good. If you can find happiness in the past, really, why you can't find happiness in the present? Or if you can find it in the future, then why you can't find it in the present? Because you are not finding it. You just perceive that I will be happy at this moment, and you become happy. You just perceive that at that moment I was happy. You become happy. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Happiness is the kind of creation of your mind. Be happy. You need nothing to be you need nothing to be happy, nothing materialistic to be happy. If you can feel happy, if you are moving, if you are doing what you are supposed to do, if you are going in the right way, you feel happy. Journey is journey is what all important. Journey is the only aspect which is important. So that is why I would end up by saying that if you want to be happy, there is only one moment, that is this current moment. Be happy, be satisfied, be calm, feel peace. It's okay, you have goals, strive to achieve them. But happiness, goals give you cause to live, not to be happy. So be happy, be present in the present. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll be meeting you with, I'll be uh, getting you all soon. So, okay, guys, have a good day. Bye bye.